Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we'll be replacing the LCD cover and the keyboard on the Asus FX607JV. This repair can enhance your laptop's functionality and appearance. Let's gather the necessary tools first. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic pry tool, a clean microfiber cloth, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Start by ensuring your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Remove any connected peripherals. Begin with the back panel. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back cover. Keep track of the screws and their locations, as this will help during reassembly. Once all screws are removed, carefully use the plastic pry tool to unclip the back cover. Gently lift the cover off, exposing the internal components of the laptop. Now, you can clean the interior using a microfiber cloth and isopropyl alcohol. This step is important to remove any dust and debris that could affect performance. Next, let's proceed to remove the old LCD cover. Locate the screws that hold the LCD in place. Again, use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully remove these screws. Keep them organized for later. After removing the screws, gently lift the LCD cover away from the device. If you find it difficult, check for any hidden clips or screws that may still be securing it. If you're not comfortable performing this repair or lack the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, providing professional diagnosis without obligation. This way, you can avoid the hassle of calls and travel. Now, let's install the new LCD cover. Align it with the hinges and ensure it fits snugly. Secure the cover with the screws you previously removed. Take your time here to ensure everything is aligned correctly, as this will prevent future issues. Moving on to the keyboard, you will need to remove any screws securing it to the chassis. Look for any clips that may hold it in place. Carefully pry the keyboard out using your plastic pry tool. If it's stuck, double-check for any missed screws. Once you've removed the old keyboard, clean the area underneath to ensure a fresh start with the new keyboard. Place the new keyboard in position and press down gently until you hear it click into place. Secure it with the screws you set aside earlier. Before reassembling the back cover, it's a good idea to test the keyboard and LCD. Connect your laptop to power, turn it on, and check if everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, you can always reach out for a quote before repair. Now, let's put the back cover back on. Align it carefully and press down to ensure all clips are secured. Finally, reinsert the screws into their respective holes to secure the back panel. Congratulations! You have successfully replaced the LCD cover and keyboard on your Asus FX607JV. If you need assistance or prefer a professional touch, don't hesitate to contact us for a hassle-free service. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.